Hi guys!
Come on.
Wait lang, my feet is not kasha. Only you na lang. Hi guys, Baby Rich and Mommy will going to
Mama,
Euro.
you choose which ones?
I want the blue one.
Put just put a blue. Oh,
The blue is for the boy.
that's blue for the boy.
And
Because
pink.
you need to read it out. You can say it's like blue, like your clothes.
Yeah, it's like your clothes. Pink.
And have ribbon.
Yeah, Mommy don't have ribbon.
Joanne, the paper. Mama.
And then, what you want Mommy drew?
Circle.
You make a circle. Achoo! Excuse me po. You say,
Kiss me. Mama, you watch you like baby with.
achoo! Excuse me po. You say like po always, ha? And then,
Mama.
letter A. I will make a letter A. Maybe,
That's island.
That's
There's
letter-
one more eyes. There's one more eyes.
Baby, you write A, B, C. What is that? It's a maze?
If it's going to farm. No, I don't like blue.
Why?
I want pink.
Oh, is that a maze? Wow! You have challenges?
Yes, I have times.
You challenge Mommy?
Yes, I want pink.
And then, now you write the letter C.
Haha.
No, you should write C like that. And letter B.
We draw a pink.
Hala,
And
ABC.
ako nagsulat niyan.
Ah,
A pa lang ang alam niya eh. Baby, you write letter A. Hindi na kami nakaalis ni Riz sa letter A.
Heart naman ang ginawa. Wow.
How about letter C? Ay, nalaglag siya. Nice.
Oh, I draw pink.
Yeah, it's blue and pink. And then, no. You
Oh,
should,
of course, you need to put
Bibi,
the
pahingin niya ako ng
paper,
kape kasi
yeah?
mali yung ano,
Because you
notebook.
need to put this
Magpapaypay ako.
this one.
What?
Kasi it's blue falling down.
Ito
Yes.
pa.
Ayan, broken!
Ano yan?
Ayan!
Ay, nako.
Naku. Johan.
Galit
No,
na
no,
sa'yo
no,
si
no.
Lula. Ayun,
Look at my
nalaglag.
donut. Oh no.
The taklob is pulled down. Yuhan, naiirit pa eh.
Don't get my donuts.
It's mine.
It's mine, that's not yours. This one is blueberry mine. But that's not yours,
I
that's...
will watch you.
No, you can't trust for me, because I am big baby rich, kanina.
Baby, you ask Anna, baby, how old are you? Dali.
Wait, how old are you na?
24.
My years old pa, 24 years old. Bukas ba ang ilaw?
Ang liwanag. Is that scare?
Oh, your tongue is nakalawit.
Hindi, ang ganda ko eh.
Anak, close your mouth.
You can't.
Ala, ang galing! Nilagay ni Rich po. Tapos po, wow, ano yan?
And,
It's a flower.
and leaves.
Hala, ang galing! Hala, ang galing ni Rich. Nag-drawing siya. I'll show them. Dali. Sunflower yan.
Sunflowers.
Yeah. And then, what's that?
Nose pa. Where's the nose?
Hala, ang galing ni Rich. And draw a tree.
Ilan may mga paluto ako sa kabila?
House.
Wala na. Nilagay ko na dito.
Wala na mga toy doon.
Wala na.
Trees. So very long. Trees. Going to my wall.
And then,
Then
you make a tree. Big tree.
I will draw Rich face. Beautiful.
Hala. Ano yan, anak? What did you draw? It's that dragon?
Ilan lang ako dito, anak? Ngayon, anak. Ang dahil
you
mga
can swap others with the flowers.
Drawing.
Hindi mag-drawing, anak.
Flowers and dragon
Dapat
daw.
kita din yung yung pinadrawing niya.
Hindi nakita eh.
Baby, pakita mo sa camera yung drawing mo.
Make naman, big tree.
May drawing nga yan kagabi. Yung tao.
Tatabi
Ako daw. Tapos hingin lang niya isa. Tapos sinigyan ng heart sa gitna. Tapos niya ako na lobo.
Baby, draw it daw again. Draw Ninong and Ninang. Siya nag-drawing? Tinaruan siya Ate Brock.
Hindi, siya lang isa.
Ko!
Bilog-bilog.
Ganda. Hello!
Tapos tinawin siya sa akin.
Baby, tingnan mo. Guys, drawing niya daw kagabi.
Tapos pinapaliwanag niya kasi niya. Tapos
Bibi,
niya ako na lobo.
tingin daw. Who's this? You tell mommy what's this. You draw this one?
Tawang-tawa yan.
Bibi, dali.
Nag-aaral kasi ako doon.
Wala, ang galing! Drawing niya si
Si Kotay ata yan.
Si Rich, kagaling mag-drawing. Drawing kagabi.
And
May heart pa sa gitna.
May heart pa sa gitna kasi love. Tapos, what's that? What's that? Ba, nakapalda. Sino yan, Lola? Apa, may palda ang Lola. Tapos, galing ni Rich. Oh, that's my girl. Yan. And then,
Mama.
what? Wow! Show everyone. What's
Mama,
this?
should put Johan.
Hala, bumakat. Ano yun? Naiyak ang dog.
I will give you main colors.
Baby, you draw mommy, daddy, and baby Rich. And baby Day Day. Dali. Kaya daw. Draw mo.
Mama, wait the color boy.
Ito pa.
Baby, mga colors.
Baby,
I will
yun
show
daw.
you
Many colors.
Yeah.
Wow.
You draw Lola, Lolo, Johan, Mami, Ninong, and Ninang. Dali, draw daw ikaw. You draw,
One
Mommy.
power kit, huh?
Yeah.
It will stick in your hand.
Okay.
Friends will stick in your hand. Then it's hot bubble gum.
Okay.
It will stick in your hands.
Ito pa.
Draw.
Thank you.
You daw. You draw Lola. Where's the taklo?
Baby, it's colorful pa.
It's not working.
It's working. Oh. Ito sa'yo, it's working, look. I will draw ka. Oh.
Why you doing my hair?
Oh, I will
Anna,
draw.
There's another paper. Go draw.
Ate, ito, bigay mo nga sa kanya ang matinta to.
This one is
Ayun.
it's like a rainbow.
Yeah. Draw na.
Yellow, pink,
Very good.
blue.
Very good.
This one
Yes.
and that's
Red.
is red
Blue, violet.
and violet.
Yeah.
No, it's wrong. It's a violet.
Oh, ay, oo nga.
This one is not working.
Okay.
This one is not working.
It's working, baby. Try it.
Oo
Oh, it's
nga.
not working.
Try this.
Thank you. I should try it.
Okay. Should try it because it's so ganda.
I told you. It's
Oh, it's
nice.
working. Wow, what did you draw? What is that? Ow, nasa pa ang baby. What is that? Hello,
I should get the things away.
it's a jellyfish.
and my pink.
Hmm?
I will target the James.
The germs? Hala, it's so hard to finish it. No? The maze?
Look, I will get the James away.
Oh my god. No more James already. It's gone.
Baby, it's working then. Ah,
Na, ano talaga yung
It's
daylight?
ready. Okay.
try it.
Okay.
And then,
This one is too pink.
yeah. Where's the taklo but the other one?
Ay, nakakaluto na.
You want that? I'll go draw na.
It's working then. Try it. Look, I will make 3.
Malalaglag na yan. Hindi na kasya.
Look, oh. I draw a pit of chicken. It's working.
Wala ka ba yan? Johan. Ninip pa naman ang damit na nasuot ko. Your back is wet na.
Sarap!
You
Dito
can
sa mong kumain.
It's the always, Mama.
Yeah. Maybe you want to eat chicken, fried chicken.
Yeah.
Hala, Johan, what are you doing?
Pero tikman mo. Tignan mo kung buto yan o hindi.
Harap.
Sarap na!
Bakit? Anong marination ma?
Hmm?
Parang totoong Jollibee.
Dapat nagawa ka din ng sauce.
Kahit wala pang sauce na.
Sarap na!
Dahil nagawa kang gravy.
Hmm?
Kaya nga.
I don't have paper. You want... Oh, another paper. Oh, this is fire.
Ang paper.
Mama, paper.
Paper?
Harap baby.
Johan.
The chicken joy. Dali na.
Johan, with my paper.
Hmm?
Where my crown?
Johan, kay Rich yan.
I wish
Akin to ha.
I can do.
Harap.
I can do.
Luto na.
Kare, kain ikaw.
Akin na ka.
Ba't kasi nag-brown out?
Oh, nakaligo ka na.
Hmm. Sarap.
Sarap. Siyempre, ikaw nagluto eh.
Wala kang naila doon mga pamana. Gatas, wala ka doon
You
gatas.
can eat my
Meron gatas na.
The paper.
Meron dong ano?
No.
Yung
Hindi, may manok pa kasi.
condense.
Wala iba.
Mommy, can you kuha paper?
Pero may ano doon, yung mushroom,
Can you
wala na.
kuha ba? Paper?
Wala.
Mama, can you kuha my paper?
Dili ata meron. Wala ba?
Mushroom, hindi ko makita.
Mama.
Ang dami pang papers. O sayang, anak. Diba? You should not waste anything. You should be,
Polite.
No, I don't like it. You handed in my toys.
Johan, get mo na nga.
Ubus na ang
Dalawa
paper
lang.
mo pang college pa yan.
Dali, nakuha mo. Dalawa lang. Baby Rich is sad now.
I don't care.
Dali na. Mommy will get. How many you want?
1 million.
Only 2 lang.
2.
Only 2?
Okay, only one, Mama.
Only 1 lang, ha?
Say the boys. You just only one, not 2. I said one kasi.
1 kasi. Only 1 lang, ha?
Okay.
And then,
Cage. And the
you
cage.
use it properly for your
Cage.
drawing.
Kaya na ila.
Play my berry.
Sarap na.
Dala, susubuan. Para mo ni nasabog.
Tayo.
Only this, ha?
Mama,
Mommy
dito
will
ka.
Hindi ka siya, mami, diya. Aw. Oh,
Yeah.
yan. Tapos, Baby Rich will draw Lulu, Lula.
Which ano na ikaw neto?
Hindi pa, ayaw niya pa.
Ayaw niya.
Busog pa eh. You draw Lulu. Lula Miding.
Yeah.
And Mommy and Daddy. And
To go off away,
then,
then you find a key.
okay, go.
Mama, you need to find a
Lagyan mo din
key.
brilliant.
Okay.
No.
Kakain na tayo.
From akin na yung isa. Taklob. Game, Mommy will do it. Game.
I love her.
Yan. Next, Mommy naman. From where to start?
No, dito.
Dito ang start.
Yes. Dito.
The key! I got it! O, diba? Ang galing ko.
Iso. I saw you, Mama.
Hala! May bumakat.
Wala na.
Mama, this is what you like. You pink? You want pink? Of course, you are the blue and you done it just like baby weed.
Okay, you draw Baby
Because
Day
you
Day.
need to be
Hindi
the
ka pa nakain pila.
pink.
Busog ka
Because
pa?
you need to be patient. No, you don't like it.
Marami pa doon.
Okay,
Okay, I
this
will-
one my pink.
Okay, you draw Mommy
Kasi
ha.
you
Mommy will eat. Mommy
don't
will just,
like it.
yeah. Mommy will just go get food ha for you and Mommy ha.
You want this one? Do you want
Blue.
this one blue?
Yes, for Mommy. You draw it properly ha.
Ikaw pala tapos magana? Ang prito?
Hindi pa. Nga kasi ila. Ila, rin ang mga plata. Kumala ng basa. Ay, ng tubig mo.
Kaya mo na lang matapos yun. Kaya ako na ito. Okay lang yung luto. Hindi
Ribs.
Nasa sofa. Ano ba rin? Nasa babaw.
Hey, Ninang, you can draw. With the color. And colors is in half. And this is all the color.
Ikaw, te.
Mamaya na. Tapos na lang.
Ito ay chicken joy. Baby, you will eat chicken joy, ha?
soup.
Kain guys, Baby Rich will eat na.
Mm.
Ayun, nalaglag na. Ha?
What I do now?
Dali, eat na. Busog pa ata si Rich ko.